What's going on, guys? Your main man James here, and today we're talking about affiliate marketing, but not any kind of affiliate marketing, quality affiliate marketing where you do not need access to ClickBank, you do not need access to Max Bounty, you do not need the approval, Skype calls, or any crazy of that stuff. With an affiliate marketing network, you can just start working right away. So let's get started. So we're going to be talking about ShareASale today, and the reason I really like ShareASale, because honestly, it's one of the most reputable places to work with different companies. It's one of the most reputable places to get high quality offers. So you're going to go to ShareASale.com. And once you're going to log in, once you log in into account, you can start looking at different offers. Now, the best part about ShareASale is that they have offers that everybody knows about. So it's not like you go on ClickBank and they have products or keto diets or stuff like that where you never heard about before, let's be honest. Here, you go in there and let's say you find FreshBooks, right? So you go on Google and you type FreshBooks, and here you go. FreshBooks is an accounting software operated by Second Sight Inc., primarily for small and medium-sized businesses. It is a web-based software as a service model that can be accessed through desktop or mobile devices. And here you see the people. They have Wikipedia, they have a real valuation. This is a real business. This is a real company. And what does that mean? That means the battle is 50% done in your favor, okay? You don't need to convince people of buying some crazy product. And I've said this many times before, but this is super important, right? If people know about this product, or at least even if they don't know about the product, the fact that they can just Google for it and see this is a legit product that, they're not going to steal their money, that's going to, deliver on the promise, your battle is 50, 60, even 70% done. Having said that, we're going to take a look at this product here. And once you understand that FreshBooks is a high quality product, take a look here. We have $55 per sale, $5 per lead. So if they just, sign up, you get $5. If they buy something, $55. 36 power rank, right? So the lower the number, the more quality the offer, the more popular the offer. There's offers that have 1,000 plus power rank. This has 36. EPC 126. That means earnings per click. $126 earnings per click. Very, very quality offer. You want to click on join a program and you're going to get your affiliate links. Super, super easy. The next thing you want to do is you want to go on Google. I say Google, but I'm actually using Bing. Whatever you want to do, whatever you like better. You can type accounting tips for small businesses. And we want to find a list of tips. We want to get some tips, right? So I'm looking for at least they have 5 useful tips. I want at least 15. Okay, so we're going to open this up and we're going to take a look at this list. And this is the list here. Really nice list. Develop a budget. Quality site. This is Oracle. NetSuite. Okay, this is from Oracle. So this is like a real business. Oracle. It's like Microsoft. But for business, they make business databases and a bunch of other products. So this is a quality list. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Sheet and you want to create a sheet. I called it accounting here. You have your sheet here. It's going to be empty. And I have a tab called content. And what I want to do is I want to use a plugin called Scrape Similar. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to do Scrape Similar. Once I do that, I get all my 15 tips. I'm going to hit copy to clipboard. I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste them here. Okay, this is going to be the name. And that's all we need. Now, we can have the name of the tips as well. So we can right click, we can do Scrape Similar, and you can do something like I have here. And once you do that, you're going to have the name of the tip and a little bit about the description, right? So it says separate business and personal projects. We have these descriptions here for all 15 tips. You can copy this as well. I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to paste it over, right? Because this has everything. And now what I have here, text and description. Beautiful, beautiful. Exactly what we want. We have this text and we have this description here, right? I can go in here. I can go to format. I can go to text wrapping. I can say overflow. Actually, I can go to format, text wrapping, and I can say wrap. And now it's going to display everything. So I can do something like this. Format, text wrapping. Okay, and now you see the entire description. Okay, that makes it seem a lot better. The next thing you guys want to do is you want to go into Google and Google for a term called Glide Apps. It's going to be the first result. You're going to open it up and this is what it looks like. Build powerful apps from spreadsheets, right? Really nice design here, really nice landing page. You're going to sign up for your free account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in into my free account. Once you log in into your account, this is kind of what you see. We're going to hit new projects. We're going to do a mobile app. You can also do a web page if you want. We're going to do a mobile app, and we're going to call this Accounting Tips Pro. This is the name of the app we're building. We're going to say phone. We're going to hit continue. It's going to use Google Sheets. We're going to hit continue. And we're going to connect to our Google Sheet right here. This accounting, right? Last modified today. We're going to hit that. Wait until it loads. And as you can see, right away, we have an app, right? We have the name of the tip, and then we have a description. Now, we need to fix it up real quick. So we're going to go in here. We're going to take a look at this right here. We have a label content. We can change that, and we're going to say accounting tips. Once we do that, this changes. Now, we want to take a look at this list right here. We can also do tiles. We can do cards. Okay, but maybe a list is not a bad thing. We can do details, but details is going to be later. We want to hit edit list. And we want to make sure this is correct, right? So this is text, which is the title, right? Because if we go to our sheet, we have text and description, right? Which is probably not the best name. It should be title and or name and description. I'll just have text and description. Image does not, there's no images here, right? So it says show detail screen for this item, which is kind of what we want. We can hit options. There's a search bar. This search bar, you can remove it if you want, but it's a nice touch. It's really up to you. You can also add a form, allow users to add items, but I don't really see the purpose of it doing it. And you can do show title when image is not available. Okay, so we don't really want to do that. You can do that, but we don't want to show anything, right? So, but you can have an image as well, right? If you configure another field here, so for instance, if I do image, and I have images here, URLs to images, uploaded images, stuff like that, then I can go back here and I can say this is an image field, but I don't have an image field right now, so that's we're gonna remove it. Now the way this works is that we can hit and it's gonna display the stuff there for us, right? So this is the screen title. This is the title right here that's displayed. We can edit this. We can allow users to edit it, right? We can change. We can have custom. We can change stuff here. We can say text. We can say description, right? This is the title that's going to be displayed. We want it to be text, or we can say, we can say custom. See, if I do that, that's going to display that. But, it's really, I think the best thing to do is actually have text. That means that the name of the title here. And you have an app that's working perfectly. Now you can modify this app. You can do all of these amazing things that I'm going to show you in a second how you want to do it. So you have screen data, you have text. You can add a field, right? You can have a link. You can insert a component, right? Let's say we want to add a button. We're going to say button, and we have a button. Now, what is this? What is the action here? Show notifications? No, we do not want to show notification. What do we want? We want somebody to buy something, okay? So what we want to do is we want to open the link and the URL. What is the URL? We don't have the URL. That's why we have to go back here and we have to add our affiliate link, affiliate URL. And the URL is going to be your FreshBooks, right? So when you join this program, you're going to get these URLs that you can use in order to create this amazing app here. You're going to put them here. I'm putting google.com and I'm just going to expand it to the bottom, but these are going to be your affiliate links. You're not going to put google.com. So if I go back here, and what I want to do is I want to make sure I want to refresh the data, right? So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to refresh the content. You see that content is not there yet. I need to refresh it. And in order to do that, you just have to click this refresh button on this data tab here. And that way you can refresh the app. So when you go back here, we're going to add a button, right? We're going to add a button here. And this button is going to link to our affiliate URL. So we're going to say open link. And then right away, it populates this affiliate URL because it knows that is a URL. It's one of the only fields that has a link. It knows their links because when it pulled the data back from Google Sheets, it auto detected that these are URLs. And the target is a browser, right? The target is a browser. And now we're going to hit publish. We're going to publish this app, and this app is live. And that is all you have to do. Now take a look at this. We can copy it. They can scan it. We can copy this. So when we copy it, we load the link that they give us. Let's open up this app, what we have. Made with Glide. It's gonna load the data here. Accounting Tips Pro. They click on it, and it's going to say go. We need to fix this. See, it redirects to Google like it's supposed to, but we need to fix a couple of things. We're going to go in here. This button should not be go. It should say something like learn more. It should say, maybe learn more. You can kind of decide or buy software or learn more, and then you can redirect them to the website, right? So we're gonna say learn more. Mood is gonna be success, maybe something like this. Default is red. What is danger? Danger is red. We don't want danger, right? We want to be in a good mood. We're gonna do success. We have some options here. We have conditions. We don't need conditions right now. You can change how it looks. Actually, that looks pretty cool. I don't know. Floating. Okay, it's a floating button. We don't want a floating button. Yeah, we want something like this. Obviously, you can change it, right? You can even have an icon. So maybe there's a dollar. I don't know. You can search for an icon if you want, right? More, show more, etc., etc. You can customize it any way that you want. And that is pretty much it. Now we have more tabs. You can create more tabs. We have one tab here. I can create another tab, right? I can say new tab, and I can rearrange it, and I can say this tab is about apps, accounting. Right now it says accounting apps. When they open it, it's going to open another source, maybe another sheet in our spreadsheet. Right now we only have one sheet, so it obviously opens up the same thing, but we have accounting tips, accounting tabs, and then we can change it around. So right now I'm just going to disable it because we don't have the sheet to do it. And now when we hit share, we have a fully customizable app that people can install, they can work things, and they can look at their stuff and learn more. That redirects to FreshBooks, which is going to have a blog, which is going to have a landing page, which is going to have the same thing what they're talking about. Take a look at this tip. Keep the books up to date. And we are promoting, what are we promoting? FreshBooks, which is directly kind of what we want. Now, where can you promote it? Let me show where you can promote it. Just simply go to Google and say accounting forums or small business accounting forums. Look at this one. Discussion forums. You can also say FreshBooks forums. Okay, look at this one. All of this support, you can go in there, you can do that, but they already have FreshBooks, right? You can say small entrepreneur forums. It doesn't have to be accounting, because just the fact that you're doing business, you're an entrepreneur, you need accounting software, right? So it doesn't really matter. This is going to work perfectly, right? You can go on Facebook groups, Twitter, you can run ads. Just get people to use this app and never promote FreshBooks directly. Just say that, you have a cool apps that gives you accounting tips. They're going to use it, and they're going to like the tips. They're going to click on learn more, and they're going to buy the product. And you're going to be getting a lot of very, very nice commissions. $55 for sale, $5 for join. Really, really awesome terms. It's a win-win as far as I'm concerned. All right, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know, as always, in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe to this channel, because soon I'm going to be doing giveaways only to subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you keep watching the videos where I have a brand new method every single day. All right. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.